Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Cook and Stir, and today's video recipe is about Paneer bread rolls. Here are the ingredients. You can pause the video and read it through or watch along as I tell you how to make the recipe. So let's start with 2 cups grated paneer, 1 teaspoon ginger-garlic paste, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon Aamchur powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half capsicum chopped, salt to taste, coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon chopped onions, and mix well. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup and mix again. Let us now prepare the green chutney. For that, take Pudina leaves, coriander leaves, 2 green chilies, half teaspoon ginger-garlic paste, half teaspoon chopped onion, salt to taste, and squeeze half a lemon. And grind it all. Trim the sides of the bread slices and flatten it with a rolling pin as shown in the video. Apply the green chutney onto the bread slices. And place a small portion of the paneer stuffing on it. Roll the bread slice. Now take 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and fry the bread rolls on all sides till they turn golden brown. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and catch you in another one. Till then, thanks for watching.